Hey everyone, it's Ben with another Business Central tip of the week. This week's tip will help you get the most out of sending emails from Business Central and includes an overview of both the email setup and the email scenarios. Let's first start with the base email setup. First, navigate to email accounts. Here you will see some different icons. We have the ability to send emails from current user, a shared email box, or via SMTP. The first and most common is current user because it is the easiest to set up. Click Add an email account, select the middle option called Current User, and if you already have Office 365, it should authenticate rather easily here for you. If defaulted, this means that when I send emails out of Business Central, they will come from my email, but if one of my colleagues sends emails, they will come from their email. If you would prefer that all emails, regardless of who is clicking send, get sent from a shared mailbox, select this first option. Two typical examples that we see are the accounting at or accounts payable at email. In this case, we see that mine is our support email. If this is the default, then all emails sent from the system will be sent from this shared mailbox. When setting up SMTP, you will need a bit more information. However, you can set SMTP to send from a specific user every time or the current user every time, which works the same way we just talked through above. Once we have these set up, go ahead and send yourself a test email to ensure you have configured everything correctly. If you have, you should get an email that looks like this. Next, let's search for email scenario assignments to add a little variety to how emails are sent out of the system. Here you can again see the two emails that I have set up. However, we have a little bit more granularity. It will show you the default, which essentially is saying that if a scenario is not found, just use the current user in this case. However, if a scenario does exist, follow the rules I have laid out here. In this case, when sending out sales or service quotes, they will come from me. Likely because I work through those quotes, I want to be in direct contact with the prospect until the deal is closed. Then for sales invoices, sales credit memos, and customer statements, those will all come from my shared email inbox. Again, anything that does not have a scenario assigned will just send from whoever is physically clicking the send button in Business Central, since I have current user as the default setup. This adds a ton of functionality and flexibility within Business Central and is key for effective communication with your customers as well as your vendors in Business Central. If this helped, check out the rest of our channel for more D365 Business Central content, and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss a weekly tip. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.